Today, we're diving into some exciting developments in the AI landscape. We'll explore OpenAI's new Codex Security tool, innovative adjustments in AI infrastructure by OpenAI and Oracle, how Microsoft's 5-4 Reasoning Vision 15B model is reshaping multimodal capabilities, the latest from Google's TensorFlow updates, and finally, a groundbreaking dataset from Google that promises to revolutionize African language processing. Let's get started. OpenAI has officially launched Codex Security, an AI-driven tool designed to identify and suggest fixes for vulnerabilities within codebases. Unveiled after a nearly year-long private beta, this tool promises to enhance application security significantly by allowing development teams to create custom threat models. Previously known as Aardvark, Codex Security has already demonstrated its effectiveness in beta testing by identifying a staggering 792 critical security issues and 10,561 high-severity vulnerabilities. Let's break down this innovation. Codex Security operates on advanced AI algorithms tailored for code analysis, which allow it to seamlessly integrate with existing development workflows. This integration streamlines the code review process, making it more efficient and effective. The tool employs project-specific threat modeling, enabling it to fine-tune scanning capabilities to the nuances of individual projects. Its user-friendly interface simplifies the process of suggesting patches, making the application accessible even to developers with limited security expertise. A distinctive feature of Codex Security is its versatility. It supports multiple programming languages and employs clustering techniques to filter out noise, achieving an impressive 84% noise reduction. This ability to diminish distractions is complemented by a more than 50% decrease in false positives, significantly reducing the time developers spend sifting through non-issues. The tool's performance benchmarks during testing involve analyzing 1.2 million commits, highlighting its potential scale and efficiency in handling vast amounts of data. Yet, despite its strengths, Codex Security does face limitations. The breadth of its effectiveness across a wide array of programming languages and frameworks has not been fully tested outside a controlled environment. The scalability of its tools in managing extremely complex or large code bases may also pose challenges. Moreover, its efficacy in comparison to competitors like Anthropic's Claude Code Security remains to be thoroughly evaluated, as adoption rates could vary. For developers eager to explore Codex Security, OpenAI has made resources readily accessible. Exploring the official documentation on OpenAI's website can provide valuable insights, while demo versions on platforms like GitHub offer hands-on experience. Developers are encouraged to experiment with Codex Security's API features using their current code repositories to fully grasp its capabilities and versatility. In summary, OpenAI's Codex Security marks a significant leap in automating code security, potentially setting new standards for software development pipelines. As the tool integrates into different workflows, it represents a critical development in proactive security measures, enhancing code reliability and safety in an increasingly threat-prone digital environment. This launch could not only standardize secure coding practices, but also influence how future vulnerabilities are managed and mitigated within the software industry. OpenAI and Oracle's decision to cancel the planned expansion of the Stargate data center in Texas reflects significant financial challenges and shifting demand forecasts, signaling a pivotal moment in AI infrastructure development. The move is a dramatic turn from their original vision, which included a $500 billion investment aimed at strengthening AI capacities across the U.S., as announced in January 2025. The Stargate project was ambitious, marking a collaboration between leading tech giants, including Oracle and SoftBank. At its core was the intent to build a network of high-performance data centers featuring cutting-edge NVIDIA chips optimized for AI applications. The planned architecture was focused on delivering approximately 4.5 gigawatts of new data center capacity, with an initial $100 billion earmarked for immediate investments to achieve this. However, the viability of such expansive growth became questionable due to fluctuating demand forecasts. This uncertainty was amplified by broader economic constraints affecting technological infrastructure projects. The goal of the Stargate project was to distribute AI resources efficiently across multiple states, Yet the realities of fluctuating market conditions led to recalibrations in strategic direction. Although OpenAI and Oracle have halted this particular expansion, there's a silver lining for businesses reliant on this infrastructure. Meta's interest in leasing the unused capacity at the Abilene site could provide a strategic pivot, allowing for continued exploitation of facilities and resources in a different capacity. This move signals both a challenge and an opportunity within the AI infrastructure sector. For stakeholders and observers, staying informed through OpenAI's official announcements is crucial. This communication channel may provide insights into any adjusted strategies or future focus areas OpenAI might explore, especially regarding the geographic redistribution of AI infrastructure. This cancellation underscores the complexities involved in large-scale infrastructure projects, pushing industry leaders to consider alternative approaches, such as integrating more flexible and efficient technologies like NVIDIA's new chips. These chips are expected to shift the focus towards more cost-effective AI solutions, adapting to a rapidly evolving technological landscape. In summary, the cancellation of the Stargate expansion highlights pivotal trade-offs between visionary ambitions and pragmatic realities in the tech industry. It leads to broader questions about not only the future distribution of AI resources in the US, but also the economic sustainability of megaprojects in an uncertain market environment. As stakeholders adapt, this decision may reshape funding strategies and collaboration frameworks in the tech sector globally. Microsoft has recently unveiled the Phi-4 Reasoning Vision 15B, a groundbreaking 15 billion parameter multimodal model meticulously engineered to adeptly handle both images and text. This compact model is tailored specifically for tasks involving scientific reasoning and graphical user interface (GUI) interactions, promising a versatile hybrid reasoning system capable of providing instantaneous answers for straightforward inquiries while engaging in elaborate chain-of-thought reasoning for complex challenges. The architectural backbone of Phi-415b integrates the Phi-4 reasoning language framework with the SIGLIP2 vision encoder. These components work in tandem to enable high-resolution input processing and dynamic resolution management. The model's development emphasized systematic filtering and synthetic data augmentation, ensuring superior data quality and reducing error incidences. A notable feature of the Phi-415b is its efficient training process, accomplished using 240 NVIDIA B200 GPUs over a span of merely 4 days. During this period, the model processed approximately 200 billion tokens of multimodal data, showcasing its resource efficiency and potential for rapid deployment in a variety of contexts. In terms of visual token capacity, Phi-415b can handle up to 3,600 tokens, catering effectively to visual-heavy applications. Benchmark assessments further underscore the model's capabilities, with Phi-415b scoring 75.2 on MathVista and 84.8 on AI2D test. These scores affirm its robustness, although it may not fully match the performance of bulkier counterparts like Qwen 3VL32b in every scenario. Nevertheless, for many applications, the trade-off in parameter count against real-world applicability results in a net gain, particularly in resource-constrained environments. For users eager to experience its capabilities firsthand, Phi-415b is accessible via Microsoft's platforms, including Hugging Face and Azure. Notably, the model's think and not-think reasoning modes offer nuanced adaptability, allowing users to toggle between direct response outputs and more detailed reasoning paths based on task complexity. Moving forward, Phi-415b represents a decisive evolution towards streamlined multimodal models, meeting industry demands for efficient AI systems that do not compromise on effectiveness despite having a smaller footprint. By potentially lowering entry barriers for complex AI applications, it opens new avenues for exploration, particularly in educational tools and enterprise-level document analysis. Though some performance aspects in highly specialized or extreme scenarios remain less clear, the overarching implications of Phi-415b are poised to influence both current practices and future developments in AI model design, marking a pivotal step toward compact, yet powerful AI solutions in contemporary technology landscapes. In a significant development for the machine learning community, Google has introduced TensorFlow 2.21, featuring a new runtime called LiteRT that is set to replace TensorFlow Lite. This launch marks a substantial upgrade aimed at optimizing the performance of mobile and edge devices. Google claims that LiteRT achieves 1.4 times faster GPU performance compared to its predecessor, alongside Advanced Neural Processing Unit (NPU) acceleration, which is crucial for computationally intensive applications on constrained hardware. LiteRT is designed to provide a unified and streamlined workflow for developers by facilitating cross-platform model deployment while ensuring seamless model conversion from popular frameworks like PyTorch and JAX. This capability is particularly valuable for developers who work with multiple frameworks, as it reduces compatibility issues and enhances workflow efficiency. The introduction of operator enhancements allows LiteRT to support lower precision data types such as int8, int4, and others. By optimizing the handling of these data types, LiteRT significantly boosts performance while maintaining resource efficiency, essential for operations on devices with limited computational resources. However, the transition from TensorFlow Lite to LiteRT is not without challenges. There is a potential learning curve for developers who have been using TensorFlow Lite, as they now need to adapt to the new functionalities and workflows offered by LiteRT. Furthermore, Google has not yet fully detailed the long-term roadmap for LiteRT, particularly in terms of support for integrating third-party models or addressing potential performance bottlenecks in complex deployments on edge devices with limited hardware capabilities. For developers eager to explore LiteRT's capabilities, Google recommends visiting the LiteRT GitHub repository, which provides comprehensive source code and installation instructions. Running example models, such as those from the Gemma family, can help users get a first-hand experience of the improved deployment capabilities offered by LiteRT. The move towards LiteRT represents Google's strategic effort to enhance edge computing efficiency, ultimately refining the landscape of machine learning deployments. As edge devices become increasingly integral to the Internet of Things and mobile applications, enhanced performance and more efficient resource management could lead to markedly improved user experiences and broader adoption of TensorFlow in mixed framework environments. This release might also prompt competitors to revise their offerings for edge computing, pushing the industry towards further innovation. Google's introduction of WAXAL marks a transformative step in supporting African languages in AI technology. This dataset comprises over 11,000 hours of speech data for 27 languages, including Acholi, Hausa, and Yoruba. Created in collaboration with African institutions such as Makerere University and the University of Ghana, WAXAL serves as a significant resource to address the digital divide historically affecting African languages. WAXAL features both automatic speech recognition, ASR, and text-to-speech, TTS, capabilities. ASR is fueled by 1,250 hours of transcribed speech, which facilitates the development of systems capable of accurately understanding natural language in different dialects. This aspect alone can propel advancements in areas such as real-time translation and voice-controlled interfaces, vital for accessibility in regions with distinct linguistic needs. Meanwhile, the TTS portion is bolstered by over 20 hours of high-quality studio recordings. This enables the creation of synthetic voices that sound natural and expressive, which is crucial for applications ranging from virtual assistants to educational tools. Despite its groundbreaking nature, WAXAL does face challenges. One significant issue is the limited transcription coverage. Only about 10% of the total audio is transcribed. This number indicates the amount of data still requiring refinement to ensure comprehensive understanding and functionality across its expansive linguistic range. Additionally, full dialectal representation remains a work in progress, as dialects within languages can vary greatly and may not yet be fully captured. Ethical considerations also emerge, particularly around the consent and privacy of participants whose voices make up the dataset. For developers eager to tap into WAXAL's potential, accessing the dataset is made convenient through Google's research blog. Engaging actively with community initiatives can also present opportunities for collaboration and further development. Participation offers a way to refine the technology while simultaneously contributing to the advancement of local language tech infrastructure. By bridging critical gaps in language resources, WAXAL holds the promise of significantly enhancing the digital landscape for African languages. It not only supports current technological needs, but also fosters innovation and inclusivity within the AI sector. This initiative could inspire similar efforts, encouraging other tech companies to invest in local language resources and ultimately cultivating a vibrant AI ecosystem that truly reflects linguistic diversity. That wraps up today's episodes of the Daily AI Brief. We hope you found these insights valuable as you explore the evolving world of AI. Be sure to join us tomorrow for more updates on the latest innovations. Thanks for listening.